Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaking First English. I'm Daniel, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. Thanks for joining us.
Today's episode is about something very important.
Introducing yourself in English.
This sounds simple.
But for many learners, it's stressful.
You know the feeling.
Your mind goes blank.
You know the words, but they don't come out.
So today, we'll fix that.
Slowly,
Calmly.
with real examples. 1. Why introductions feel hard.
Many English learners ask the same question.
How do I introduce myself correctly?
The truth is, there is no perfect introduction.
Native speakers don't use perfect sentences.
They use simple ones.
And that's good news for you.
2. The core introduction pattern.
Let's start with the most basic structure.
This structure works almost everywhere.
Work,
School.
social situations.
The basic introduction.
Here it is. Hi, I'm Daniel.
That's it.
Just your name.
No pressure.
Adding one simple detail.
If you want to add more, add one small detail.
For example, hi, I'm Daniel. I work in sales. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm new here. Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Short sentences.
Clear meaning.
Common beginner mistake.
Many learners think longer is better.
So they say, "Hello, my name is Daniel, and I am very pleased to meet you today, and I would like to tell you about myself."
That's too much.
And it creates stress.
Simple English sounds more confident.
Scene 3. Introducing yourself at work.
Now let's talk about work introductions.
Imagine it's your first day.
You meet a coworker.
Work introduction. Hi, I'm Emma. I work in customer support.
That's perfect. If you are new, hi, I'm Daniel. I just joined the team.
Very natural.
Why this works.
You give useful information.
But you don't overshare.
Native speakers do this every day.
Short practice. Pause for a moment.
Say this out loud. Hi,
Now add one detail.
I work in.
That's your introduction.
Transition forward.
Now that we know the basics,
Let's talk about meetings.
because introductions in meetings feel different.
But the structure stays the same.
All right, let's continue.
Now we'll talk about introducing yourself in meetings.
Now, we'll talk about introducing yourself in meetings.
Imagine this situation.
You join a meeting for the first time.
There are people you don't know.
The manager says, let's start by introducing ourselves.
This moment makes many learners nervous.
But again, the structure is simple.
Simple meeting introduction.
A very natural introduction in a meeting sounds like this. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. I work in sales.
That's all you need.
Name plus role.
Nothing more.
Adding one extra sentence, optional.
If you want, you can add one short sentence.
For example, I'm Daniel. I work in sales. Nice to meet you all. I'm Daniel, from the sales team. I'm Daniel. I recently joined the team.
Short and clear.
Common mistake in meetings.
Many learners think they need to explain everything.
They say something like, hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and I am very happy to be here today. I have 5 years of experience, and I am responsible for many tasks.
That's too long for a meeting introduction.
Meetings move fast.
Keep it simple.
Practice dialogue. Meeting.
Emma acting. Let's go around and introduce ourselves.
Daniel acting. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. I work in sales.
Thanks, Daniel.
Why simple works in meetings.
In meetings, people want clarity.
They want to know who you are.
And what you do.
Details come later.
4. Introducing yourself online.
Now, let's talk about online introductions.
Very common today.
Email, chat, video calls.
Email introduction, simple version.
Email introduction. Hi, I'm Daniel. I work with the marketing team.
That's enough.
Slightly polite email version.
If you want to be a little more polite.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm part of the marketing team.
Very natural.
What to avoid in emails.
Avoid long introductions.
People read emails quickly.
Respect their time.
5. Introducing yourself when you're nervous.
Now, let's talk about something important.
Nervousness.
Many learners say, I forget everything when I'm nervous.
That's normal.
Safe sentence you can always use.
Here's a safe sentence you can always use. Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
That sentence works everywhere.
Work, social, online.
If you forget words, it's okay to pause.
You can say, sorry, I'm a bit nervous. Let me think for a second.
Native speakers do this too.
Scene 6. Continuing after introduction.
After introductions, what comes next?
Usually a simple question.
Common follow-up questions.
People often ask, how long have you been here? Do you like it so far? What are you working on?
And your answers can be short.
Natural short answers. About 6 months. Yes, I like it. I'm working on a new project.
Short answers are normal.
Asking back. Very important.
Asking back. For example, how about you?
This keeps the conversation going.
Practice dialogue. Full flow. Emma acting. Hi, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Daniel.
What do you do?
I work in sales. How about you?
I'm in customer support.
Nice.
7. Introducing yourself casually.
Sometimes introductions are very casual.
For example, at a party.
Or with friends of friends.
Casual introduction.
Hey, I'm Daniel.
That's it.
Casual follow-up.
Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Very natural.
8. What native speakers don't do.
Native speakers usually don't say age, full life story, job history.
Not at the beginning.
Key pattern to remember.
Native introduction pattern. Name, one small detail, question back.
That's the secret.
Listener practice moment.
Let's practice together.
Say this out loud. Hi,
Now add one detail.
I work in,
Or,
I'm new here.
that's your introduction.
Confidence reminder.
Your introduction doesn't need to impress.
It needs to be clear.
And calm English. Ending conversation.
Before we finish, let's remember one thing.
Introductions are not tests.
They're just greetings.
Be kind to yourself.